All right. Hello, my name is Ryan Agahi. I'm partners with Blake Well, Jacob Sutherland, and Spencer Clam, and our project is Spot Your Cell. Our product description is basically a workout bench that's on a track, which is going to be on a set Z-axis that's going to contain a mechanism, linear actuators that will deploy metal beams outwards. And this will stop the barbell from falling down on you, and it will maximize people's workouts without the fear of bodily harm. And studies show that over the last 30 years, a million Americans wound up in the emergency rooms from weight training injuries, and the annual injuries just keep increasing every year. Working out's very dangerous, and trends have shown that more Americans are working out of the house more and more, especially after COVID-19. So we want to maximize safety. That's our idea. The concept's fairly simple. Over here are going to be the linear actuators that are set on a track that are able to go out and fork out when the user presses a button, meaning they no longer can't hold up the bar. And we want to, if we have time, put an accelerometer on the bar so it would be able to tell our controller when it's in free fall. And when that happens, it'll deploy the linear actuators for you instead of having to press the button, just as a second fail safe. And we plan on doing this on a smaller scale, because if we did it on a large scale with the amount of weights and everything, it would just be very, very expensive. So we're going to do this on a small scale and prove our proof of concept. And up to here is a very simple control diagram just showing how the actuator is going to send signals from which is a safety mechanism, and sensors are going to be sent. The accelerometer is a sensor, and that's going to be sending digital signals to the ESP32, and that's going to tell the actuators whether or not they're going to deploy or not. And this is a timeline. So we're in the process right now of CAD generation, just sketching out concepts, figuring out what materials we want to use, what motors, and we're going to continue CADing and finishing this by hopefully a month or two from now. And around spring break, we want to try to work on the accelerometer and see if we can get that working without having to press a button. And thank you so much. I hope this was very informative, and please let us know if you have any questions.